Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set up a double opt-in for emails in HubSpot. This feature ensures that your subscribers genuinely want to receive your emails by requiring them to confirm their subscription, which helps maintain a healthy email list and improves deliverability. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Sign in to your HubSpot account if you're not already logged in. Once you're in, head to the top right side of your screen where you'll see a gear icon. This is your settings menu, so go ahead and click on it to access all your account configurations. Now, on the settings page, take a look at the left sidebar, scroll down until you find the option labeled marketing and click on it. This will expand a submenu with several options. From this expanded menu, select email. This section houses all your email-related settings and is where we'll configure your double opt-in process. Under the email settings page, look at the menu options at the top of the screen and click on double opt-in. This is the control center for customizing how your double opt-in will function. Here, you'll find the Turn on Double Opt-in toggle bar at the top. Click this toggle to activate the feature. Once enabled, you'll see an expanded section appear at the bottom labeled Manage Double Opt-in Emails and Pages. This is where you'll customize each component of your opt-in process. Look at the right side of the screen and click on Add Language. This allows you to create opt-in flows for different languages if needed. When the language selector appears, click the drop-down arrow to view all available language options. Select your preferred language, then click Save and Continue. Next, you'll need to enter your email subject line. This is typically a confirmation email letting subscribers know they need to verify their subscription. Make it clear and actionable, something like, "Please confirm your subscription." Once you've crafted your subject line, click Publish and Continue. Now it's time to set your confirmation page. You have two options here. You can either use HubSpot's default confirmation page or link to your own custom page. Choose whichever fits your branding needs best, then click Save and Continue. The next step involves setting up your follow-up email. Enter the subject line for this email, which is usually where subscribers receive welcome messages or acknowledgement after completing the opt-in process. This is your opportunity to make a great first impression, so make it warm and engaging. Once done, click Publish and Continue. Finally, review all the pages you've created to ensure everything looks correct. Scroll down and you'll see the Activate Double Opt-in toggle button for the language you selected. You can choose to activate it immediately or save it for later activation. Once you've made your decision, click Save. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.